ìṣèjọba sójà wọ́n ti ní kò dàbí iyán o àkóso wọn sọ pé kò dàbí ọbẹ̀ gbẹ̀gìrì ohun àmàlà tàbí ká sọ pé ẹ̀fọ́ wọ̀rọ̀wọ́ tí èèyàn lè fi jiyàn lọ́wọ́ àṣálẹ́ fún gbogbo ẹni tí ó ń là kàkà tó ń pariwo wípé àfi káwọn sójà wá gbàjọba wọn ní lọ́gọ́ tó bá dé yóò fẹ́ burú ju ohun tó ṣẹlẹ̀ lásìkò yìí lọ ǹjẹ́ kí ni àwọn tí yóò máa ṣe láyé sójà ọ̀rọ̀ rẹ̀ o lẹ́nu ọ̀gá ológun nígbà kan bàbá onígò dúdú.
To immediate effect, the interim national government is hereby dissolved. The national and state assemblies are also dissolved. The state executive councils are dissolved. The brigade commanders are to take over from the governors in their states until administrators are appointed. Where there are no brigade commanders, the commissioners of police in the states are to take over. All local governments stand dissolved. The directors of personnel are to take over the administration of the local governments until administrators are appointed. The National Electoral Commission is hereby dissolved.